Okay, let's talk about the news module now. So the news module is essentially used to store all of your news articles for this particular department. You'll see it's department, training department, news. So let's go ahead and create new. And news operates just like the blog module. So let's go and call this my first news article. We can change the author and give a comment notification email. Give this a thumbnail. Yes, I'll save. You can set the publish time if this is publishing later. Share on Facebook or social networking platform, and then also set a category for this. So let's go ahead and give this a description. My first news article. Let's go ahead and publish. So here's that news article there with the thumbnail. Now let's go ahead and add a news widget. And here's that news article there. And your users can click on that and go ahead and go to that. Now with the news widget, we also have this card display for the layout. There's a lot of settings here, but let's go ahead and save that. So it displays them in little cards there. Let's go ahead and move this down, and it resizes to fit in this little section there. So that's how the news module works.